Thank you so much, everyone, for coming, and thank you for all your support, all your prayers, for just giving me the encouragement and being out there speaking on my behalf in the early voting area sites. Even when I couldn't be there, obviously it's a big district, and I was only able to cover so much ground. But I really thank God for allowing me to continue to be there, to speak for all of us here. And I wish I had more people beside me, other people who ran and unfortunately could not win. And even with my race, it was very close. I won by only about 800 votes. The previous time I won by 4,000 votes. And so, yeah, it goes to show that, they were really, really wanting to remove me from the school board. But I'm just grateful that I'm able to continue to serve on the school board, to be a voice of reason, a voice of truth, and to support people who don't have that ability to stand up for themselves. And it's kind of interesting. On the election day, I was just really, my mind was really caught up with some of the negativity of the election and some of the signs that were posted in my area. That right next to my yard sign, they would post these "No to Ing" signs right next to it, and it got to me. Honestly, it got to me. But I really thought, it's, no matter if I won or lose, I'd much rather have Trump win. And praise God that Trump did win, and some of the changes that he may be implementing in terms of the Department of Education, that's a big issue, possibly, of that. And then even what happened with Nancy Mace, and the things that are going on in Congress with transgender issues. And so that may actually trickle down to our Wake County. And so I'm eager to find out what's going to happen in the coming weeks and months. We will still have, our usual, budget discussions / fights over what's important, and we will still be dealing with a lot of overhead things that are just way too much spending for a diminishing enrollment. So I'm going to be working hard to stand up for what is right and to be wise in the use of our resources, and we want to make sure that our kids get the best education possible, and that's the thing that I always preach about. And I just want to make sure that our kids that don't have a voice through me. So thank you so much for your support.